Hi everyone. Welcome to another client showcase from KlinKode. Today I'm excited to walk you through a custom Shopify project I completed for one of my clients. The project involved creating a free shipping progress bar that displays both in the cart page and the drawer cart. Initially, the store owner was using an app to display the free shipping progress bar on the cart page. As you can see here, when we adjust the quantity of items in the cart, the progress bar updates accordingly. And the track icon moves. It's a nice feature, and the app handled it well. However, the app had one limitation. It didn't integrate with the Shopify Drawer Cart. So while the progress bar worked on the cart page, it didn't appear in the drawer cart, which was a key part of my client's website. That's where I stepped in. My client reached out to ask if it was possible to implement this without relying on the app, and I said yes. So I customized the theme and coded the solution from scratch. Now, let's talk about how you can control the content of this free shipping bar, including the text and the price limit. To make this customizable, I created a meta object inside the Shopify store admin. As you can see here, it's called Cart Message. There are 4 fields you can modify. Price. This is the price limit for free shipping. Text before price. This is the text that shows before the price limit. Text after price. This appears right after the free shipping price. Success message. This message appears when the customer exceeds the price limit and qualifies for free shipping. These fields allow my client to easily update the free shipping bar's content. Now, as you can see, the free shipping progress bar and the track icon are seamlessly integrated into the drawer cart as well. This is something the app didn't provide, but with custom coding, we were able to achieve exactly what the client needed. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking to customize your Shopify store, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy selling!